Howdy. Check it out. Now I put everything back here. It's a little bit different since it sucks making it twice. Conducting an electromagnetic experiment. And it's related to mountain water. Obviously, you don't need a CERN in order to show how nature works. Cost comparison between the A3 Anomalies Laboratory and CERN. CERN, about 10 billion euros. A3 Anomalies, €0. Nothing bought for the experiment. The star of the video. The piece of aluminium is recognizable as trash. Check out about Easy Water here, Thunderbolts Project, Dr. Gerald Pollack. I tried to make this already a few times. An error occurred. Let's try again. An error occurred. Again. Maybe we need something to calm down us a bit. Okay. I took a screenshot as I noticed. Conducting electromagnetic experiments. Or how water, I don't remember, but I was writing there. That's strange. Where is it? Edit video. Conducting another mountain water. Save. I'm just trying to edit it. Edit. I can't draw with my left hand, obviously. An error occurred. Oh man! Who? What? Who are those 4 people who watched my video? 4 views. One of those probably had something to say about that. I don't know. Might sound crazy. Might be true. It's really interesting. It's really interesting. I was about to make a video about something else, but I don't remember since this is something which... Yeah. Let's stay with the word interesting. So, to the next theme, next scene, which is in the north here. Let's turn it around, and otherwise you won't understand where we're going, probably. So we are in the north, and I have noticed today there are many of those islands here. We have Svalbard on the left, and this is something very interesting. Since I've been thinking about glaciers and all these kind of things, what they actually could be. Alexandra Land, what a name. Check this out. That's a small part of where you can actually zoom in. You probably won't notice if you just sweep over the place that there is this one little part which is in quite good resolution. And this looks really interesting. This looks to me like a glacier. I might be wrong. I might be correct. But it looks like a glacier to me. And whoever, like those scientists or explaining geology that the glaciers are carving out all the valleys and these kind of things. I don't know. It really just doesn't look like it. It really doesn't. I have been watching this today for some amount of time because it is really, really fascinating. There's all of a sudden also lakes emerging from under the ice and all these kind of things. And that's a really cool place. This would be a nice place to go around once. Let's check out if there's some pictures. Photos. Yes. Obviously a glacier. How comes it is brown underneath? I think that's ice. I'm not sure. How could I be? But if glaciers are actual volcanoes, we would probably expect something like this because there's more coming out of the volcano than just water in this case. Cryptogeysers, cryptodomes. So that's why there's molten ice in the first place, probably. Fluctuations in the flow of the well. Yeah, check it out, the dragon. It's a dragon, double-headed. What is it in English? Adler? That's German. Kotka? Finnish. Eagle! English. Very interesting. Anything else? That's a place you could spend hours and hours and hours just by watching at things. Yeah, this is probably this wood which got carried there by the currents and stuff. Maybe these are all ancient coral reefs. Since they probably have been once located at the equator or something like that. Could be possible. At least we cannot close it out. We have to take all the possibilities into account. We cannot do cherry picking. If you start to cherry pick, you only will find cherries. And the first time you taste strawberry, despite its being red as well, you will be shocked about the difference in the taste and all other things. Fesco. This seems to be something industrial. Internet connection, oil, whatever, gas. Maybe this is this kind of summer and winter comparison. I don't know. Hard to say what we are looking at. It's just really Interesting. Yeah. I think I leave it here. You can check out all those places. Here are some pictures which look rather interesting. Wow, check it out. It's a massive fulgurite. Which might be still connected to the waters below, which are connected to the things below. Hence, geothermal activity and all these kind of things. Volcanic nature. There are people. Check it out. People and boulders. And some ancient ruins or whatever this is. Might be. These might be these kind of places where you just cannot go without any permission and stuff. Dr. Alvin Franz de Paula Hager, yeah, scientist. They can go there, of course, for free. They get even money for that. But if you're not, if you're just some random dude, you won't get the permission to get there. Probably, I'm not saying it's like that, but there are many places which are like that. You have to belong to some institution in order to get access to places and data. Otherwise, you just won't get. Yeah. And those pictures might be cherry picked in order to not show the cool things. Yeah, actually, check out the shore. These are like all these are stones, boulders, rocks. Now let's go over to, what was it? Tiski, Dixie, Tiski, Dixie. This is not Tixie, but it looks interesting. It isn't. Dixon. Dixie. Maybe it's here somewhere. Let's ask Google where Dixie is. Dixie. Go. Yeah, I was really at the wrong place. Sorry for that. Yeah. People making a mess. Dixie. Yeah, they look really interesting. They look really interesting. But they are in so bad resolution. But now you know this is Dixie. Dixie City. But here's the airport. And if you follow this very interesting landscape up until here, somewhere, here's a village. Maybe it has a name, maybe it doesn't. Bukowski. It has. And here we have this shore with those boulders. And they are just continuing and continuing. And you can actually see also the landscape is this similar kind of knobbed, or however you put it. And I am really intrigued by those. That's a really fascinating landscape. I don't know, do we have any photos from this place? Do we have photos turned on? Yes. But no photos available. And it's like almost wherever you watch. And here it seems like there are like craters. They look like craters. Some have hexagonal shapes. Tixi and Bukonov, or however it was. These are craters, and if you go to the really left, or what is it, west, turns out they are all boulders. And I really wonder, in a way, that how are they so similar in size? What's up with those? How did they come into being? Musbikov. Yeah, we cannot click on it. And there is some sand, sediments, or something is going on also out there in the sea. Is this coming from below? What is it? Sand? Algae? Submarine? A whale. That's a really, really, really fascinating landscape. If you are ever bored and you don't know where to go, what to do, go to check out Siberia. Are these ancient corals? What is this? And here we have something else. Not too much, but that's somehow, you know, that's amazing. And this seems all totally 100% natural. There is no humans being there constructing nets or whatever. Is this? This is not peat. Peat doesn't look like that. Peat doesn't behave like that. Doesn't. So we are in Tixi, and this is whatever it is. Let's take measurement. Let's take this one, for example. At point 15 meters or something. There are quite many. Yeah, now it just changed the color as we zoomed in. But maybe if you see some strange colors sometimes, it just indicates that the pixel quality, or however the resolution, is much better. Not always, but sometimes. This is a really fascinating area. But there's no pictures. Here we have one. Everything in ice. And we can see from this mountain there is a cloud on top of it. There is energy flowing. It doesn't mean that it is a volcano. It can be. Could be. Crypto, though. I think that's rock. This white stuff is rock. That's not ice. It could be ice. Maybe it is ice. I don't know. Tixie. Yeah, there's a good way to start. Watching Earth with all its wonders. Yes. There must be something really special that they have. That they built all this stuff there. I think I have made a few videos about this place already, but it's just something every time you go there, you will find something really exceptional. It's just amazing. Tixie. Yeah, it's actually here somewhere. I thought it's here. Sorry for that. I'm learning all the time. Thanks. Bye.